Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel Tech Studio. Today, I am gonna show you guys a website where you can earn $10 per task reviewing products or services. This is a genuine website where people have been earning money for years. I will show you how to earn money through this website, so watch the video till the end. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post videos. Let's get to the video. The website which I mentioned is User Testing. User Testing is an on-demand human insight platform that quickly gives companies a first-person understanding of how their target audience behaves throughout any experience. You can see it is a legitimate website where you can earn money by completing tasks. Let's go to the website. There are a lot of widgets shown which you can go through to understand what all resources are provided. There are webinars and ebooks provided which, if you want, can check. Let's request a trial. So, there are a lot of options which you can see, but we are interested in testing tasks. People from almost any country in the world can get paid to test, as you can see. There is a video that you can watch to understand how users are reviewing websites, so that you can get an idea on how this works. Now let's click Get Paid to Test. So now, we are gonna see how you are gonna get works on this website. You have to sign up and take a sample test. Watch my video till the end to get tips on how to pass in the sample test. After that, you can take tests and give feedback on products. Get paid $10 per task of 20 minutes. Here, we can see there a total of 3 million plus tests taken and users got $1.2 million plus as a whole in 2019. The testimonials of users can be seen here. The FAQs are given down here. You can go through it to clear your doubts. You got to have PayPal account to receive payments. The payments will be received after 7 days of completion of a test. Now let's sign up in the website. I already have started to create an account, so I am gonna complete the sign up procedure after verification of my email. There is a video you can see here showing the good tester. You can see it so that you can understand what user testing is expecting from you. Notice the tips that they have given. Let's click Continue. You have to download and install the user testing software. Click the Continue button. Now there is another video where they have given 5 tips to be a good tester. Let's watch it.
Here are a few tips to remember as you take the test. Be sure to record in a quiet, distraction-free place. Adopt the mindset described in the scenario. Be sure to complete each task before moving on to the next one. Speak your thoughts naturally to help us understand what's inside your head. You should also ask questions and add comments to help clarify what you're thinking. If you follow these 5 steps, you'll be well on your way to making the web a better place. Thank you so much for testing with us.
Now let's start the test. Before starting your test, make sure that you find a quiet place. You don't want to get disturbances while doing the test. Also make sure that you hide any windows that you don't want to get recorded. The website records your voice as well as your screen. You have to also speak continuously and complete each task in the test, in order for you to be a good tester. Now let's start the recording for the test. Read the instructions given while doing the test. First, there is an introduction. Imagine yourself in this scenario. You will work on a couple activities that are similar to the types of tasks that you may be asked to work on as a tester. As you complete the activities, imagine you are planning a trip to the Air and Space Museum. There are no wrong answers. We want to see your successes, but we also want to see your struggles. You're only judged on your ability to speak your thoughts out loud and follow these instructions. Click Next. If you are not already on the website, there is a link given to the site. As you can see, the website is already opened here. Click Start. The recording has started earlier, but the instructions are shown only now. You should read the instructions and do accordingly. Remember, you have to speak continuously while on the website. It's actually easier than you think. You can talk about the appearance of the website and your thoughts about it, while completing the tasks shown. If you have any doubts on the tasks, click Next button shown here and then pause the recording to read the instructions. In this case, you have to find a map with a layout of the museum in DC. You have to describe the experience as you look at it. Remember to resume the recording to click the Start button and continue with the test. You have to find the map before you can go to the next task. Search in the website to find it. So here you can see an option Museum in DC. Let's click it. You can see the directions here. Click it. We have found the map. Now, click on Next button and pause the recording to read the next step. You can complete the 6 steps given, like how we did with the first 2. You have an option to quit this sample test and do it again afterwards, like how I am doing now. I haven't submitted my sample test since I was explaining the process to you. So don't record the test like how I did now. You have to speak continuously about anything in the website while completing the tasks. Once you are done completing the 6 steps, they will take your sample recording for review and send you an email after reviewing. Once you're selected, you will get paid $10 for each test that they provide you. A typical test takes you about 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Many people are making good money through this website completing such tests. Try the website for yourself, pass the sample test and get paid. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to see notifications whenever I post videos. Share this information with your friends. See you soon.